Alright guys, we're back with part 2 of setting up my new anvil. Last time we got it all flattened out, but as you can see I left a bit of a mess, so let's start by cleaning that up. Well, there we go. Now for the next step, which is going to be using chain and some bolts to try to hold the anvil down onto the stump. Alright guys, you can see I just got some chain here and some, I guess you could say lag bolts, I don't know. They're maybe 3/16 quarter inch round or something. And they're a little longer than they need to be, but it should still work. Just have some washers on them so it doesn't pull through the chain. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap around and then bolt the chain to the stump. So we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, well that worked extremely well. It's really on there. I mean, to move this you gotta move the stump, so that's what we want. I do have a bunch of extra chain here because I didn't, well that's not good. Alright guys, so we already ran into a problem. This bolt, as you can see, just dug out. It didn't hold too well. So that's a problem. I think I'm just going to try again and hit in a different spot. Maybe don't get it quite as tight, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, well there we go. I think we fixed that problem. I just moved the bolt back a little farther so that I didn't hit the same hole. Didn't make it quite as tight, and it seemed to work just fine. So now I'm going to get a angle grinder with a wire wheel on it and start buffing off the anvil. Well, there you have it. It's definitely not perfect or anything, but it's a little better. I mean, there's still rust in some of the pits and stuff, but knocked the majority off of it. I guess as far as which way the horn goes, I'm gonna try this obviously first, and I guess if I don't like that, I can always switch it around. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.